Howdy, it is your friendly handyman with a handyman tip how to change the AC return grill your hallway. This one had better days, but it's all messed up, so I'm gonna teach you how to change one. Take out the old filter, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. You want to remove those right there. Screw there. There's 1 screw, 2 screws, 3 screws, 4 screws. And it pops right out. Some you have to cut out. And it doesn't. I want to go get my broom. I want to keep the video going so you guys can see it real quick. But you can use a little broom. I already vacuumed this out earlier before I got on this. So, and here's the new one. New filter. And this is a new one. And I'm gonna open it up. This thing comes out. Just like a hinge. Put the new one, and I'm going to use the same screws. So I'm going to put the top ones on first. Right there is the first one. I'm going to put one in this corner at the bottom. There's a 2x4 right here. You hear that? That's the impact. My impact drill makes a noise, so I can hitting wood. Where did my ice cream go? Oh, here it is. And we'll put the last one right there. Well, we didn't hit too much. So let's try over here. Nope. There we go. And then with the new filter, this has an arrow, as you can see it right there. That's going to point towards the wall or the inwards. That's the new filter. Squeeze it in there. It's new, so it's going to be a little stubborn. And see those right there? Those just go inside that thing. The way you took it out, the way you put it back in. No, it's been upgraded. Let me switch. Brand new one. And then now it has these arrow up and then open, so you can change the new one. So you guys want to upgrade your old return grill for your AC? Very simple. This is the old one. I'll kind of show you. It was in the wall like that. Then see 1 screw, 2 screws, 3, 4. And then when you take that out, you just pull it out the wall. Very simple repair. You could do it yourself. Don't overthink it. You could do it. And just little home improvements that you could do in your own home. Or you guys want to get into a maintenance technician. This is one of the jobs that you can do, because the old residents left it in very bad condition. I had to throw it away. It was all bent up. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll be doing some more videos. Thank you. Your friendly handyman.